Yeah, what are the points we discussed? What are the concepts we discussed in our previous class?
Ma'am, there is a lot of disturbance.
Oh, disturbance is occurring.
Ma'am, I don't know.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah.
Ma'am, you
What are,
gave some like 7 divided by 22, right, ma'am?
and once again, congratulations, Daksh. You are doing good job in the test too. I'll
Thank you,
appreciate your sincerity. What are the bits you did? Any one? I think one bit you did made mistake, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the bit? Did you check that? Did you corrected that?
No, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, yesterday we went out. We had to go. So
Okay.
I
Daksh,
didn't
whenever.
check. After
Okay,
this
okay.
class, I'll check.
Okay, please go through the mistakes, Daksh, so that we can correct ourselves where we are lagging and we supposed
Okay,
to
ma'am.
improve. Okay, please do that. If you have still any doubt, let me know so that I can also help you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday you gave 7 divided by 22, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, 22 divided by 7.
Yes, ma'am. That's good. So,
Yeah. 1 minute. Let me.
oh, ma'am.
Yeah. Yesterday I gave actually 20. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Daksh, you have to see here 22 by 7. How you supposed to divide? As usual, division. Daksh, you can take a 22 as a dividend, 7 as a divider, and then 7 3s are 21. Daksh, what is the remainder here?
Ma'am, it's 1.
1. So 1 is a very less number, so it is not going. So
0.
take a
Yeah.
decimal point and take 0 here. 7 1s are 7. Yes, what is left over?
Ma'am, 3.
3. So again, 3 decimal place anyway we have, so we can take as 0 2. 7 4s are
28. 2.
28. Very good. And here remainder is 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So remainder 2 means what we
20,
supposed
ma'am.
to take.
Ma'am, so 2s are
Very good.
14.
Next 7 3s are 7 2s are 3. Then remainder is 6. So take 0 here. And 7 how many times? 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh? So remainder it is going on. Yes or no,
Yes,
please?
ma'am.
Whether it is going on.
Ma'am, here I wrote this conclusion that, ma'am, it goes on forever.
Very good. Then it is, this is what type of decimals? Non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating means the decimal is not stopping, it is continuously going, right? Then we can call it as non-terminating decimals.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, ma'am, your voice is going really low and then it's going really high and it's breaking.
okay, 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 okay. Then can we go with the next bit, Daksh? Here?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Daksh. Students are not yet joined. Why? Who are late? Let me check. Yeah, Varnika joined right now. Daksh, am I audible to you right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Varnika, are you there, Nana? Congratulations, Varnika. You're doing good job in the test.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Varnika. Sorry for inconvenience. Just will be start with enough. Where is the remaining students? Ashwath, Jagdish, and Jaydeep. Other students are not there today. Any? Okay. We'll start slowly, step by step. Let them join. I'll record the session. Okay, right, Varnika. Very good, Varnika. I feel very happy yesterday when I saw the results of class 6. Good job. Daksh, you have
Yes,
one
ma'am.
more. You have one more competitor.
Ma'am, can you repeat that?
You have one more competitor in our class right now.
Ma'am, who?
The Varnika.
Yes, ma'am. I
Varnika
remember.
also doing very great. Good job. Please be competent like that. The competition makes you. So it's
Yes, ma'am.
positive competition. You're supposed to take as a positive way, children. Okay. Right.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm gonna go and wash my hands.
Sure. Daksh.
Ma'am, because
Okay.
ma'am, there is a dog over here.
Okay. You're okay. Right. You maybe right. Yes, Varnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Today we are going with addition and subtraction of decimals.
Okay,
No?
ma'am.
We will discuss that.
Ma'am, I'm back.
Ma'am, today I need to do, need to tell the value of pi, right, ma'am?
Yeah, just value of pi I gave as a homework. Is it a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal? That's all I want. I don't
Ma'am,
want
what is a terminating decimal, ma'am?
terminating means if you do division somewhere it stops. Non-terminating means it is continuously going division.
It is non-terminating.
Very good, Varnika. It's
Yes, ma'am. It is
non-terminating
non-terminating.
decimal. Did you check it, Varnika?
Yes, ma'am. Continuously, I
Is there
got 9,
any-
ma'am. And then
Very good. Is there any decimals like that? Non-terminating decimals like that? Yes.
not sure, ma'am. I don't know.
Ashwath, is there any observation? Your observation, is there any?
Ma'am, I observed that.
Yadharth came today's class. Please check once. Please on your videos, children. I can see only Varnika on their cam. Yes. Gagan Karthik, are you there? Gagan? Yes, I can see only Ashwath on and Lohini on and other Varnika. Yeah, Gagan.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please on your cams, children. You're supposed to on your cams when class is going to start.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay, children, shall we start class? Why too late, children? You are late. That's why I'm joining a little late. Because I joined exactly 5 o'clock. 5 people are not yet joined. Any busy work you have? Ashwath?
No, ma'am.
Okay, yes, I can see Daksh came back. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell?
Yeah, let me share. Just now we did the part. Let me share that. Are you able to see my screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right, children. Other day I gave one small homework for you. Here 22 by 7 I told to complete and come back.
Ma'am, 22
Yeah.
by 7 is the value of pi, ma'am.
Of course, it is the value of pi. So you need to do decimal division here. 7 3s are 21. One
Ma'am, I
is left.
tried to do it, but
Ma'am, it goes on forever.
Very good. It goes on forever. So this type of decimals we call it as terminating non-terminating decimals, children.
ma'am, but it stops somewhere, right, ma'am?
No, you try it and come back. Stops or whether it is going.
Try it
That's why.
100 times.
Yeah, that's why I gave as a work for you children. In home you're supposed to try and come with your.
Ma'am, there
Yeah.
are 2 Lohinis.
Maybe.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am,
Yes.
can I tell? You told
Wait.
me one homework, right, ma'am?
Oh yeah. Lohini, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
7 ones are 7. What is remainder here, Lohini? 3. Right? Again, decimal point is there. You take 7 fours are 28. So here and 2. So 7, if you take 0, 7 twos are 14. Once again, remainder is 6. It goes on happening. So this type of decimals we call it as non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating means it goes on happening. Terminating means suppose if you see 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5 means if I'm taking here 5, so take decimal point 0. 5 fours are 20. Remainder is 0. This value is 0.4. So this is stops here, nothing. It's a remainder you came as a 0. But in previous case, it is not happening. So that those are non-terminating decimals. This type of decimals we call it as terminating decimals. Terminating means stop. They are not going to continue like that, right? Terminating decimals. So did you understand, children, what are terminating and non-terminating? You will learn about
Yes, ma'am.
this, terminating and non-terminating decimals more about in your class 9, children. Class 9 you will learn. Now no need that part. Now my questions for my students. Convert each of the decimals into a fraction and simplest form. Already we discussed. Some more conversion part I didn't discuss with you, children. That I want to today we supposed to discuss. So express the following as rupees. Express.
Ma'am,
Yes. Following as. Yes, ma.
ma'am, you told one homework, right, ma'am?
I will discuss little later. Wait. Yeah. 7 pies. 7 pies I need to convert into rupees. Yeah, Varnika, please. Varnika, 1 rupee equal to how many pies?
Ma'am, 100.
100 pies. So Gagan Karthik, Gagan Karthik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, Karthik, if I want to convert into 7 pies to rupees, 7 pies to rupees, what I should do? I should do smaller unit to I'm converting into greater number, bigger unit. I need to do always division, children. So 7 divided by 100. 7 divided by 100.
0.07.
Wait, Daksh, wait. Gagan, please
Ma'am,
respond.
can you
Nana, if
post
I'm
it?
Gagan, 0.07. Why? Because here you have to check 2 zeros are there. You need to get 2 decimal places. That is a small blind technique to remember whether you are doing correct or not. So this is the way you need to convert the real life applications to rupees to paisa, grams to milligrams, or other things as rupees kilometer to hectometers and meter to centimeters, like that. Use centimeters to meters. You can discuss many things in application part. Before going to application part, we will discuss about addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Let me take. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Lohini.
Yes, ma'am.
Addition and subtraction. You know in natural number how to add and how to subtract. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But is it decimals also very simple? Only here you have to see exactly whether you are placed on the number and under their place values according to their place values or not. That is very important. First step, convert the given numbers into like decimals. That is one way. Or else, suppose I want to add 334.5 and 12.004. Is it like or unlike decimals, Nana?
Unlike.
Unlike, very good. So first step, you need to convert them as a like decimals. Like decimals means point after how many decimal places?
500.
Very good, 500. Point after we have 1, 2, 3 decimal places. But in first number, you have only one decimal place. So what you have to do, you just make it as zeros, Nana. How many lacking places are there? That many lacking places, you have to put it as zeros. Then another number is 12 point, straight point always, remember. Point, straight point, before point, whole part, after point, decimal part. You need to write. Now you have to add up. If you add up 0 plus 4 is 0. Sorry, 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. Decimal point, point, straight point. 4 plus 6, as usual addition, children. 6, 3 plus 1, 4.
Ma'am, 46.504.
46.504.
Main important points to remember here. Yatharth, only the thing whether given decimals are like or unlike. If it is unlike, you need to make as a like. Then point, straight point you keep. According to place values, you know, before point, whole numbers how to place, you know very well. And then as usual, decimal places anyway you are making as a like. Then more easily you can add up the things. Shall I give few bits for your practice, children, right now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Can you?
ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, we should send in the chat, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Nana. Yes, Nana. There are 2 bits immediately you're supposed to answer. Second bit, 25 point. I will check today notebook also, children. Your notebook also I will check. At last few minutes you have to show your work. What is we are doing in our classroom. Then you can leave. 25.05 plus 78.968. Now, Gagan, Gagan, Lohini,
Yes, ma'am.
Lohini, is it like or unlike decimals, Lohini?
It's unlike, ma'am.
Can you please make as a like first number and give the number?
Yeah.
Yeah, please quickly, Lohini.
Have to have 0.
Yes, are you giving?
Ma'am, I have given.
Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Lohini, please tell first number as a like decimal.
It'll be a 25.0.
25 point. Whole part you can call it as 25. Only decimal part you can call it as 05, like that.
0.050.
Very good. 050. Next number. Point, straight point you keep. Yes.
968.
Come on, Lohini, please give the answer. 0 plus 8. Lohini.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yeah, please tell on the screen and tell first. 8. 5 plus 6, 11. 9 plus 1, 10. 5 plus 9, 14. 7, this is 100. Children, how many of you got the same 104.018?
Ma'am, I said in the chat, ma'am, I'm correct.
Very good. Ashwath,
Correct.
Daksh.
Sir, ma'am, it's correct for me, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you are
Varnika. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Daksh, please.
ma'am, I did subtraction.
Okay, instead of addition. Okay, don't worry about that. The subtraction also we have. Let me go with the 3 more numbers. Come on, children. This is one more task for you. Come on, quickly give answer. First answer should be appreciable. 003 plus 2.1, 2.01 plus 30.999.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, children, are you doing? Can I take? Children, are you doing or not? Am I audible to you? Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we're doing.
Yeah. Who are giving first answer? I didn't get any answer. One
Ma'am, I
minute,
have
please.
given. I have given.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. Let me check.
Ma'am, can I see the answer, ma'am? I
Yes,
got
please.
Is
my
it right?
Yes, I can see. I can see Daksh, you are correct. And Yadharth, you are too correct. Varnika, please tell me.
ma'am
Ma'am, is this correct?
33.012.
Yeah, ma'am, I got the
Yep,
same
I'm
answer.
right.
Very good, Varnika, you are correct. 30 means where I supposed to place children. This is the unit
Ma'am,
content.
actually, I didn't have the book beside me, so I took some time.
Yeah, okay. 9 plus 3, that's why orally also you can answer children like Varnika.
Yes,
should
ma'am,
show
that's right.
11, 10, 2 plus 1, 3,
33.012.
33.012. Right. Once you are perfect with addition, we will go with application part 2 children today. Yes? Now my question for my students. Now my question for my students is subtract.
Ma'am, in Google Class, I sent the homework.
A few more questions also I will send. Already we have many questions in our question bank too, children. Question bank, you have sufficient questions to practice. Subtract, next one, subtraction of decimal numbers. Subtraction also very simple, children.
Ma'am, it's the same thing.
Same thing, but only make it 43 point, subtract 43.6 from 43.6 from 85.73. Now my question is, Yadharth,
Yes, ma'am.
which number I supposed to write first, Yadharth?
Ma'am, 43.60, ma'am. Because to make it like, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Which number I supposed to make it as subtrahend and minuend? Minuend is which number? Subtrahend is which number?
Ma'am, I sent you the answer.
Very good, Daksh. Daksh, you are correct. And
Ma'am,
you are very-
85.73 should be up and 43.6 should be down, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, I was away, ma'am. Did you tell anything, ma'am?
No, I didn't. I just I'm giving 43.6. 43.6 can be right as.
Ma'am, 43.60.
Can I subtract right now? 3
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
Yes,
0,
ma'am.
3.
3.
7 minus 6,
1.
1. 5 minus 3,
2,
8 minus 4,
4.
4. So answer is 42.
Ma'am, I gave the right answer.
Ma'am, me too.
Yes. Daksh
And
and
me too.
Varnika to correct. Very good. Next children. Next one more bit for you. This is your task, children. I won't do this task.
Yes,
This is your task. You're supposed to answer. Subtract 342.64 from 451.327. 327, Nana. This is 451.327. I'm writing down instead of this number. Please take this number, children. Who are going to give first? Who is the winner of the bid today's? Who are going to give first question?
Ma'am, I have given.
Ma'am, I have also given.
Very good, Ashwath.
Ma'am, I
and
also
very
given.
good.
Ma'am, who gave first?
Yes, Ashwath Reddy given first, then Daksh, then Yadharth.
Ma'am, are we correct?
Yeah, all three are giving same. Let me check. Very good. 451.327. Lohini,
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I wrote. Ma'am, you
300.
told.
Subtract. Oh yeah.
Ma'am, you told 541.
No,
451.
you need to subtract. Yeah, the other Ashwath, you please check once. 12 minus 4 is 8. Here it's 2. 2 minus 12 minus 6 is 6. So it's nothing but 0. Make it as 10 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 4, 0. 1. So what is
Ma'am,
the
I have
answer?
given the correct answer.
Yes, Daksh, correct. Yadharth, what's your answer?
Ma'am, same only, ma'am. 108.668.
I got the
Ma'am,
same
ma'am,
answer.
I also reached.
Okay, I didn't get
I
from
also
girl
rechecked and I
student.
got the same answer.
Yeah, I am not getting from girl students. Why? Children, Lohini and yes,
Monica.
Lohini
Ma'am,
and
send it to you, ma'am, but 2 numbers I kept it by mistake wrong.
okay, be careful, children, while arranging numbers is very important. Can you do one more bit together? Combination of question like
Yes,
addition
ma'am.
and subtraction. Yeah. And then I'm giving a combination of question here.
Yes, ma'am.
Here 5 point. This is 6, question number 6.
Ma'am,
5.0.
some noise is coming. Ma'am.
Yeah. 078 plus 2.003 minus 4.999. Yeah, first what you should do, children? First step, what you should do?
Addition.
Ma'am, don't
Addition,
tell,
ma'am.
ma'am, because
I won't give anything. I am giving up to you. Please do yourself and give your answer. I won't answer. Once if it is completed, we'll go with one more part of this. Then we'll go with some part of application on this addition and subtraction, children. Before going to addition and subtraction, sorry, application part in real life, we have few more bits. Applications in real life. How decimal numbers are useful in our day-to-day life situations where we are using those things.
ma'am, I sent the answer.
Very good.
Ma'am, me too.
Ma'am, I also, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you check if whether mine is correct?
Yeah, I'm checking, ma'am. I'm checking. Just a minute. Karthik?
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Karthik, are you there, Karthik? Karthik? Gagan, Karthik, please answer my question, Gagan. If you are there, please, I think put in chat box. I can see only Varnika is giving correct answer. And here Lohini is given correct answer. And Daksh, you are correct. Ashwath, you are correct. Where yeah, Yadad also sent message.
Ma'am, what about Ashwath?
Yes, you let me check yours.
Ma'am, you checked mine and you told it was correct.
Yeah. There are different answers. I can see from Daksh and Yadad is also given. Okay.
Ma'am, 2.082 I give.
2.082 is correct answer.
Ma'am, I gave correct. Lohini and
even
Daksh
I-
are wrong.
1 minute, let me check whether it is Daksh or yours is correct.
No,
Lohini also
Lohini
given.
gave for previous question. She didn't give
Yeah,
for.
Oh,
that's
sorry.
okay. This is 5.078, 2.003.
Ma'am,
if
first we need to
combine-
do addition according to board mass rule.
Yes. Then you need to subtract with the
It
4
is
point.
7.081. Then the
Okay.
answer will be 2.082.
Very good, Dana. It's a 7. 17 minus 9 means 8. It becomes like a 6, and this is come like. So what is the answer here, children?
Ma'am, 2.0.
2.082.
Yes, ma'am. 2.082.
It's only 9, right? 9 minus 9, 0. 2.082 is the correct answer. Someone gave 182. Why? Daksh,
Ma'am, that's
Daksh,
Daksh.
Daksh, please check here. Daksh, I'm doing once again for you because the common mistakes done by students.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
did a small mistake in that 0 part. I didn't take out that. I didn't remove one from the. That's why.
Ma'am, I need to turn off my webcam for a while.
Okay, sure. Daksh, where is your mistake, Nana? Can we do once again the same subtraction?
Ma'am, in the 0 part.
1 minute. 8. 1. Let me once again help because good students also sometimes they make mistakes in this case. Let me check. So here 1 is there. It will
Ma'am,
not go.
ma'am,
7.
when you said that, I remember Jaideep, ma'am, he's not joining the classes these.
Yeah. 11. Jaideep was not available right now in this in whatever the place. They're somewhere they moved to somewhere. So he's not nowadays in the classroom.
Okay.
Next 11 minus 9 is 2. Here 7 won't go. Before step also it's a 0. So borrow from here, it becomes 6. This become 10. 10 again you need to take borrow from the previous step. It's a 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, how much, Nana?
Ma'am, 17 minus 9, ma'am, 8.
Very good. 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 6 minus 4, 2. Daksh, don't do mistake, Nana. This is common mistake done by good students too. Okay?
Okay.
Such a bits only they will get in the competitive examinations, subtraction part or addition somewhere they will test it whether students are how much. Please little cautious. You are doing wonderful job. Only little wherever we are making mistake that should be little strengthened. Can I give one more bit because my students are need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
some more perfection with this. So I'm going to give one more question on this.
Ma'am,
200.
after this, can we, ma'am,
Yeah, Ashwata.
when is the IMO exam, ma'am?
It's some there are 2 November, right, Shashwat? November.
I think so, ma'am.
November
Yeah.
only. Some
Yeah,
schools
ma'am.
are happening with November. Why? Because December again CBSE board exams we have in our school
Ma'am.
campus. That's why we asked the people to prepone, but many schools are having same problem. I'm sure whether it should be November probably or else December 25th onwards.
Yes, ma'am.
Because CBSE last year, before year, CBSE is not conducted for 10th grade in the month of November. Particularly this academic year, they are conducting in the month of December first week, I think so. November last week and December first week they have in board exams.
Ma'am,
See children, the applications before going to apply, there is one more bit, please supposed to complete, then we will discuss some part. 200.089 minus 12.003 12.003 minus 100.02 100.02. Yeah, please children, everything is subtraction, please check carefully. So what you should do in this bit,
ma'am,
Lohini,
don't tell, ma'am. Ma'am, don't.
I'm not going to tell. I want to find out from my students. Lohini, Yadharth.
Yes.
What I should do, Lohini, in this bit?
You have to subtract it.
Yes, we have to subtract. What we have to subtract, Lohini, here?
First, we have to subtract 12.003
Okay.
minus 100.2.
No, that's your idea. Okay, I'm going to Varnika. I'll come back with you. Varnika, how you supposed to solve this bit? Yes.
Ma'am,
Varnika?
first
Yeah.
we should subtract
Ma'am, I gave you the answer.
12.003 from 200.089, ma'am.
Very good. Very
The
good. That
answer
is
we
one
get,
way. Whatever the
Ma'am,
answer.
should I say once?
with the answer we get, we should
Subtract
subtract
100 point. That's your
100.02.
idea. Wonderful. That is also correct. Wonderful.
Ma'am.
Wonderful.
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
check the chat?
Ma'am, can you check my chat?
Mine too.
Wait. Karthik, something Karthik is speaking. Karthik.
I am going to be away for some time. I'll be
Okay.
right in a few minutes.
Sure. Put in the chat box. And why busy work, Ashwath Reddy? What is busy work?
Ma'am,
I have sent you the answer.
Okay,
What
let me
is?
check.
Ma'am, can you
Okay.
check?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
I
I'm checking.
sent first one.
I'm checking for my students' responses right now.
Yes, ma'am, chat.
Yeah, very
sent
good.
first one.
Daksh, I got answered as 80.066 and Ashwath Reddy 8.066. Okay. And Reddy Karthik, Gagan, you are also correct. And Ashwath, please check your answer. You are within
minute,
hurry.
ma'am.
You are doing. Ashwath, you are wrong.
88.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't check that. That one was wrong.
Because if approximation, that's why I'm telling you are good, but you have little hurry always.
Ma'am,
Busy work.
I'm solving in the newspaper, ma'am. That's why it's kind of like that.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Excuse me,
188. Ma'am, I'll send my answer.
I can see there are 2 students and correct, Gagan. You are true. You are correct, Gagan. Very good. And
Yes, ma'am.
very good, Nana. How you did, Gagan?
Ma'am,
Please,
now
can
is
you?
it correct,
Ma'am,
ma'am?
Yeah, Gagan, please, can you help? How you did?
Yes, ma'am. First time minus 200.089
Plus the way.
minus 100.020, ma'am. So I got
Wonderful.
100.069. Then I
Very good.
minused with 12.003, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. Very good.
Ma'am?
Very good. Nana, instead of doing that, we have one more method. Can I teach that method?
Ma'am, I want to say
Yes,
something.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah, Daksh, please.
ma'am, firstly, ma'am, I added 100.02 with 12.003. Ma'am, it
Wonderful, Daksh. I got your idea. Very good. What Daksh said, ma'am, I'm taking these two negativities two together. I added. It's 100 plus 12 is 112 and 0 to
23.
112.023 I got. So I then this is together minus, so that's why I'm keeping minus. Then I subtracted with the 200.089. Wonderful, Nana. That is also one way of doing. Very good. First, you are adding these two things. That is also true, children. Whenever you are getting like that, like signs you can add and keep common sign, as we discussed in integers also the same concept. Here both are minus signs, means you have to add and keep negative sign. So it becomes minus 112.03. Now you have to subtract 112.023. But my students did, that is also correct, children. You are also wonderful, you are correct. You can do even that like that. But this is another method of doing the sum. So 100 and 200 minus 112, this is like a whole numbers only, children.
Ma'am,
What
it
else
is
you
one.
see?
It's a 188. It's 188 minus.
No, it's 88.066. Daksh and Gagan is correct.
Ah,
And,
yes, ma'am. I sent her the. I rechecked the answer and sent.
wait, I want to see from Ashwath whether Ashwath is giving whether is giving answer or not. I'm thinking about it. Yeah, I got answer from Lohini somewhere. She did 89. She gave. So sorry, Ashwath, you are correct. Reddy Gagan, you are correct. And Daksh, you are correct. And I missed answers from Drona. Drona, are you there? Drona. Drona, are you there? Yeah.
Ma'am, can you check Google Classroom?
Ma'am, he is there.
Okay. Why
Yeah,
is Drona? Why you are joined late and you are not responding? Drona, please let me know.
Ma'am, he chatted. He's there.
Okay. What he kept message? Please let me any one of you read.
Ma'am,
And,
he said yes, ma'am. He's there.
okay. You're supposed to speak here. Be active in the class, children. These are very important decimals. Okay. Then we are
Ma'am, I
going.
need to turn off my webcam for the whole class.
Why? Okay, okay. Yeah, next bit, please ready for your next bit. Next challenge is ready with you. Find the number that must be added to the sum of. You need to find the number. It's really very beautiful application part, children. Find the number. Yeah, I'm coming. Find the number that must be. That must be. Find the number that must
Added to a number to get a number, ma'am.
added. Yeah, added to the sum, added to the sum of 8.7 and 8.7 and 19.324 to get 35. To get 35.
Ma'am, I can't understand this question, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. Who is this? Is it Gagan?
Yes, ma'am.
Gagan, Nana, Gagan, you need to see, find the number that must be added to the sum of to get this number. So here 8.7 plus 19.324. We don't know what number you're supposed to add to get 35, Nana.
Okay,
To get
ma'am.
35. Now you understand once I'm writing. First,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you should do, you have to add up these, then you have to subtract from 35. Subtract from 35.
I
So
understood,
come on,
ma'am.
children, try it. I will help you. You try, you learn first, then I will help you.
Ma'am, I sent the answer. Can you check?
Okay, I will see.
Ma'am, the answer is 6 point.
Good.
6 point.
Very good, Ashwath, you're correct.
Ma'am, is it 6.076?
Okay, ma'am, I'm going to school. I just returned home. Okay, Drona, it's okay.
Ma'am, is 6.076 correct?
Yes, correct. It's correct.
Six point 096. No, it's not correct.
No, not.
6.976.
Oh, he told. Yeah, that's correct, ma'am. Ma'am.
Let me check who are giving the answers. Very good, Ashwath. Very good. You are correct, Ashwath. Why again you have doubt?
I don't have doubt, ma'am.
Ashwath, you are correct only. Why you have again doubt?
No, ma'am, I don't have doubt.
Correct answer.
Yes. Ma'am, can you give me one hard question, ma'am? All are easy.
Yeah, one more hard question for you. Okay. The difference between
Difference between
two numbers is
two numbers is
74.6.
74.46. Yes, ma'am.
If smaller number
If the smaller number
is
is
52.879.
52.879. Yes, ma'am, I'll get the bigger number. Find the
Greater number you're supposed to find. Mama. Greater number is question mark here. Okay, Lohini, your answer, sorry, the answer is very good. Correct, Lohini? You are correct for previous
ma'am,
bit.
I gave
got
the answer for that question you gave now.
No, so sorry. It's wrong. It's wrong, my dear. So sorry.
Ma'am, can you tell the numbers again?
Yeah, let me show the screen. The difference between two numbers is 74.46. Smaller number is 52.879. The greater number you supposed to find.
Ma'am, actually even if we subtract 52.879 will be the greater number.
No, according to our number, it's a small number, right?
Yes, ma'am. So I need
You
to
need to find the greater number. So what you should do? You have
Ma'am,
to-
I have given that answer. Is it correct?
Very good.
ma'am,
One
we
more
need to subtract 52.879 from
No, that's also doing
74.460.
that's also doing the same mistake. So sorry, that's it's so sorry.
Ma'am, we need to subtract 74. Sorry,
No, you
52.
need to add. You need to add to get that number. You should not subtract.
127.
Ma'am, is it 22.540?
Yeah, children, here you see here. Children, please, are you able to do that before bit and this bit?
I
Lohini,
also
can I?
gave the answer, ma'am. You can check.
Okay, now I'm checking. 1 minute. Yeah, you are correct. Right now, you are correct.
Ma'am, 127.339, ma'am.
Very good, Karthik. Very good. Brother Karthik, you are correct.
Ma'am, you already displayed the answer on the screen.
Oh, before that? Okay, I got the correct answer from Ashwath Reddy. Ashwath Reddy, your answer 127.339.
Ma'am,
Now
you
you
told the difference, right, ma'am?
No, of course. You just let me give one a small example for this bit. Dear children, you see here, the difference is given here. This is the difference. Difference means If you take a small example like the difference is 2, any two numbers difference is 2. One of the number is a small number I am giving here. One of the number is 3, small number is 3. Find the greater number means how you have to find out. If you take these numbers, difference is 2, smaller number is 3. Find the greater number means how you supposed to do? You are going to add these two, right? 5 minus 3 is 2.
Yes, ma'am.
5 minus 3 is 2. Yes or no, children? Suppose, listen, children, the difference is, small difference is 2 I'm giving. Smaller number I'm giving as, 3. And you need to find bigger number. So how are we supposed to find bigger number, children? I want to get so bigger number minus smaller number equal to difference. To find out bigger number, you need to send this minus 3 to other side. What happens? It becomes 2 plus 3. It's nothing but 5. Yes, it's 5. So how you are getting? By adding these two, you are getting. Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. I understood, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. Gagan, Karthik, and I want answer from no one is
Ma'am, I
giving only.
haven't copied the question, ma'am.
Okay, shall I, okay, I cleared. I think I'll write on the screen 1 minute. The difference between two numbers is 74.46, Nana. If the smaller number
Is 52.879.
yeah, smaller number is 52.879. Find the greater number. Find the
Done, ma'am.
greater.
126.339.
Ante Nana. Greater number. Yes, children. That's all for the day. Tomorrow we'll see the applications
Ma'am,
on
1
real
minute,
life.
ma'am. Ma'am, can you check the Google Classroom for my homework, ma'am?
Okay, I supposed to check. Oh, you didn't check it, the Google Classroom?
Ma'am, I gave it in the Google Classroom, that homework.
Very good, very good, very good. You submitted that part?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Let me check.
Yes, ma'am.
Which class is this, children? Is it
Foundation
7?
6, ma'am. Ma'am, can you refer? Yeah.
Wow, Ashwath. Ashwath, hats off to you, my dear. My dear Ashwath Reddy, hats off to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hats off to you, my dear. Very good. Lovely child. Very good, Nana. Very good, Nana. Good job. Children, are you able to see the Ashwath work, what he gave?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thanks,
see, that is the interest towards the subject. That is the what I can't say any word. Such wonderful students we have, children. Very good. Please go your research like that only, Ashwath. Don't anytime don't feel stress and don't feel tired. You go ahead like that. Try with numbers. Proud of very proud of Chanukya Ramanujan. We are very proud of yeah. Very good, Nana. I can see. I don't know how many. My eyes also not. How you get this much, my dear?
Ma'am, we don't know,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Maybe copied from Google.
No, ma'am. I tried that division one time. I
Okay.
tried like so many times. I took like some time.
Hats off to you. Very good. Well done. Well done. Well done, Nana. Well done. Don't be tired with your practice work. Well done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nana, we'll meet in next class. I feel very happy today, Ashwath. You are giving a wonderful work about pi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Really great job you are doing. I'm not sure how many digits you are giving. Also, I am unable to count.
Ma'am,
Is it
I
1,000 digits?
one
or
time I
2,000?
counted, ma'am. When I
Okay.
counted, it was like 15,000 like that, ma'am. Approximately 15,000.
Wow. Uh, now we can tell. Now, Daksh, is it a terminating or non-terminating?
Ma'am, Daksh
Yeah.
left.
Okay, children. Okay. Bye, children. Have a good day, children.
Ma'am, non-terminating.
Yeah, it's terminating. It's non-terminating. Very good, Ashwath.
Ma'am.
Please share in our group too.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
children.
it
Bye.
was
Bye,
okay.
children. Bye. Meet you.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am. Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day
Bye, ma'am.
ahead. Bye, Ashwath. Bye, Lohini. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Darth.
Bye.
Lohini, you can end the session now.
Good job, Ashwath.
Thank you.